Hi, I'm Scott.
And I'm Sam Grice. We're in Period 6 Physics, and we're going to be testing today which is warmer, a glove or a mitten.
The materials we're using in this experiment are a mitten, a glove, a temperature probe, and then a computer to do the data. And the glove and the mitten are both at about 21 degrees Celsius without a hand in them.
Okay, so how we're going to be testing this is we're going to have Scott's hand in the glove and the mitten. What we're going to do is we're going to take the temperature probe and we're going to shove it all the way up into the fingers with Scott's hand in it, because you need to have a temperature change inside the glove, otherwise the gloves are going to be exactly the same. Also, we're doing it in the fingers because that's the only difference between a glove and a mitten.
My prediction is that the mitten will be warmer because there's no separation between the heat of the fingers, so I think it's going to heat up faster than the glove.
My prediction is actually exactly the same as Scott's. There's Scott doing work. The glove, or with the mitten on right now.
Have it on for 5 minutes.
Logger Pro's starting to collect. We've got the timer running. It appears as if the graph after 2 minutes is increasing steadily. There's the end of time.
Stop it. You gotta stop.
Scott took his hand out. That's what the graph looks like after 5 minutes. The blue line is 4 minutes to 5 minutes because it stopped collecting, so we had to start the collecting again. But it looks like it stayed at a steady 33.6 degrees Celsius with his hand in it. Here we're going now with the glove. Just started. It looks like it's spiking out at the beginning pretty hard. There's Scotty.
Hi. Source of error on this right away.
We got it just over 5 minutes. It looks all right. The blue line's the last 2 minutes again. Scott has something to say right now.
It looks like the graph cooled down after a little while, which shouldn't make sense, but we think it does because the probe was pressed up against my finger and we thought it was losing blood, like it just went numb or something. So we think that could be a source of error at the end when we're talking about our sources of error. We think that it may be because my finger was going numb, that it got cooler than it was.
But it did level off before it got cooler for a while.
So
as you can see right here, it leveled off and then leveled off at the beginning. But then right around there where it spikes a little bit for a second, that's where his finger about went numb and dropped. The highest temperature that the glove was able to reach was 27 degrees Celsius, which is still 6.6 less than what the mitten was able to reach. Okay, so during our experiment, we believe that there are a couple sources of error. One is during the glove, Scott's hand in the glove, his finger, he said, went a little bit numb, and that's what caused it to drop, actually, instead of staying level. It leveled off, and then it dropped because he feels like his finger went a little bit numb. The other thing is the glove was tighter than the mitten, and that's what made it level off so quick, although it spiked way faster.
For our experiment, our hypothesis was correct. The mitten was warmer, although we do think that sources of error could have changed the data for better or worse.